Hi, and welcome to ISET's tutorial series where we show you how to successfully navigate and utilize the ISET portal and its features. This topic is on purchasing and locating the initial application for accreditation. To start off, make sure that you have both created and signed into your ISET account. You should see a message welcoming you to the subscriber portal, along with a variety of menu choices and links. For the purposes of today's demonstration, I will be using a pretend applicant named Jordan Carpenter. At the top right-hand corner of the page, by your name, notice a row of social media and contact icons. Click on the shopping cart or shopping buggy. This will take you to our ISET online store. Once the page loads, scroll down until you see a listing of ISET's products. To pursue ISET accreditation, you will need to purchase the ANSI ISET Standard and Initial Application for Accreditation bundle. Please note that we do sell the standard separately, but that item does not contain the application for accreditation. You can click on the title of the item to learn more, or once you are ready to make the purchase, go ahead and click the green Add to Cart button. And once we've confirmed this is the correct item, go ahead and click Checkout. So now this leads us to the payment and contact information page. And so I'm going to quickly take us through what it looks like to pay by a credit card. Although please note that if you would like to send in a check, that option is available. Just select check and it will ask you for your billing address. And then you can mail that into us. But for today, we're going to pretend to pay by a credit card. So we'll type in the information. And we will be using Jordan's credit card for this. Once you have confirmed that all of your information is correct, go ahead and click Process Order. It may take a few moments to load. All right, and we have successfully purchased the Standard and Application bundle for initial accreditation. So now that you have done this, let's learn how to locate your application so you can begin working on it. There are two methods. At the top right-hand corner of the page, click on the drop-down arrow in the menu located below your name to expand the options. The first route will have you click on My Accreditation, and this will take you straight to the application overview card. This is where you can work on your application. Alternatively, if you are accessing your application at another time in the future, you can also use this gray colored portal menu panel by clicking My Accreditation. That will expand to two more options, and then you'll just click on Application. And again, that method will also take you to the same page for the application overview card. Well, this concludes our topic on purchasing and locating the initial application for accreditation. Thank you for joining today, and please contact the accreditation department with any questions that